Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I am so excited to be bringing to you a nautical themed baby shower with a touch of royalty and glam. All aboard? So let's start with the dessert table. Everything turned out so amazing. I absolutely love this cake. The rope detail at the top was so on point. I mean, it just turned out absolutely fabulous. And if you guys can see, the center of the flowers have a little bit of bling to match the bling tablecloth. And I absolutely love the details. Rachel does such an amazing job with the treats, and I am so thankful to have her as a part of our team. And I wanted to keep the backdrop for the dessert table fairly simple because I wanted the desserts to pop. And so what I did was, using the wood wall that's already in the studio, I just added some paper fans in an organic pattern, and I think it really coordinated really well with the desserts that were on the table. The cake pops, the cupcakes. I mean, everything was absolutely amazing. Look at the little details there, the little anchors and the flowers with the bling, the rope around the top layer of the cake, the top tier of the cake. Absolutely amazing. Now, I do use acrylic servers for the cake because at baby showers, you tend to have a lot of kids, and I want to keep everything safe. Now, for the centerpieces, I did 3 different types of centerpieces. I had 6 tables, so I had 2 of each type. And for the first type, I did this bear, and I created a bib with a bling bow tie and a gold anchor on it. And then I paired it with this floral centerpiece and added the acrylic stand for height. And so this is the first centerpiece, and I absolutely love it. The second centerpiece, I did another floral centerpiece in these bud vases that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I used yellow and white flowers with a little bit of hint of blue, and then I added the blue anchor tag inside of the floral arrangement to carry the theme throughout. I also had this small sailboat that it's kind of like a mini storage solution, and if you wanted to, you could actually add little desserts or party favors on the shelves. This center table is actually the table that I use for the grandmother and all of the very close guests of honor. It matches the first table that I showed you in reference to the centerpieces. The room actually sits 50 people. The center table sat 10 of those 50 people. Now, the third centerpiece that I created was a sailboat, a little rubber ducky swimming in some blue water that I created using food coloring. And then I did the same centerpiece that you saw before, but instead of using a blue vase, I used a white one. And so that is all for that table. And now let's move on to the guest of honor. So this is a table for the mother and daddy to be. And I use these party supplies. I shared these with you before. These are from Posh Party Supplies. And I absolutely love the fact that their china and their glassware and cutlery looks so real. And I will leave that link down in the description box below. And use code LUX to save an extra 18% off. I absolutely love the way that the head table turned out. I did the larger floral centerpieces, and then I paired it with 2 of the smaller vases, and I put floating candles on the inside of those vases. Why do I keep saying vases? Anyway, I wanted to give you guys a panoramic view of the room. Everything turned out absolutely gorgeous. There you see a backdrop for all the guests to take pictures in front of. And then I just thought it would be nice to share with you guys a couple of things that I've done to make the room just super special. So here is a light that you see along there, but you see the little brown things? Those are speakers, and they're Bluetooth speakers that you could connect your cell phone to for music. So this saves not only space, but it also saves money because anyone with a cell phone can be the DJ. So that's an awesome accessory that we have at Lux Studio, and we're able to meet all of our clients' need, especially when they need things like music. And if you want to see where we put other items such as the food and the gifts and all of the details, be sure to visit my website at melanieturner.design, and I will share with you on my blog all of the little details that I was not able to include in this video. Now, those of you guys know who follow me, you know that I have an upcoming academy that is open for enrollment. It's called Lux Academy. And so I will be including that link down below if you're interested in any aspect of event planning, event decor, event designing. This is definitely the class for you. I will leave that link down below, you guys. I will have enrollment open until March 23rd, and the class will take place on March 25th. So you don't want to miss out on that. And speaking of missing out, I have noticed that my videos have not been getting as many views as normal. So I wanted to remind you guys to turn on your notification bell so that you will be made aware of all of my new videos as I post them. I'm posting on an average about 1 to 2 times a week, so you want to stay tuned for that. And then for daily posts or daily updates, follow me on Facebook and on Instagram at Living Luxuriously for Less. I'm making posts, inspirational posts, motivational posts. I'm kind of giving sneak peeks and all of the above. So be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram for all of those updates. I will leave the link to everything that I shared with you in this video down in the description box below. And if you're here for the first time, I would love for you to become an official Luxer by clicking that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. Until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.